YouTube. Afternoon, fellas. Ferocious Mgtow here. I just left my customer delivering my load. That's kind of funny, delivering my load. And I just left out of the plant parking lot. It's crazy because I got here and the tanks were full basically, so they couldn't take me, so I had to wait 5 hours, something like that, 6 hours, almost, yeah, 5 or 6 hours. Okay. And for all that waiting time, they have to pay me $35 an hour on top of what the percentage of what the load pays. So it's not a bad day, you know. And I'm right here in St. Louis, so it'll be an easy hop, skip, and a jump back to Chicago. They said they don't have anything for tomorrow, which really didn't bother me a bit because I'm out of service hours anyway. I only got 6 hours and 50 minutes left on my 70-hour work week. So that's because it's an extension from last week or whatever, over the weekend, which is cool. I ain't tripping, you know what I mean? They got me something leaving back out on Wednesday, so I just need enough time to get back and get off the clock so I can do my 34 reset and get a full clock in. Okay, I'm picking up a load going to Kansas City, and then usually that'll bring me back to St. Louis. Hopefully they got something in St. Louis either the weekend or definitely by Monday, because that load is going to Kansas City is due Friday. So I don't know, we'll just wait and see. But anyway, I'm rolling. I am in Pacific, Missouri, and I'm getting ready to head back to Chi-Town, Chirac, the Windy City, Chicago, my kind of town, you feel me? So yeah, I'm happy, feeling good, feeling strong, feeling thankful and grateful that I'm still, uh-oh, they go to Popo, they got to somebody. As long as it ain't me, I'm good. But anyway, I said I'm gonna turn the camera on, just kind of bring you guys up to speed where I'm at, what I'm doing, let you see a little bit of this little small town here. Suburb, I guess it's like a suburban area from St. Louis. And I got fuel, so I don't really need no fuel. I just need to get back and get off the clock as soon as I can so I can get my full reset in. But yeah, guys, I think I'll turn on and talk to you guys. I kind of miss talking, to be honest with you, because I was talking to the guy about the shutdown, who was the operator at the plant I just left. He said that it's messing a lot of people up he know. I said, yeah, same here, you know. He basically said the same thing. We'd be glad when they open this thing back up, you know. So let's pray and hope that we get this thing open back up. And it's hurting a lot of good people, you know. I know it is. So I'm grateful, I'm thankful. I'm praising the Most High that pick the industry that's gonna keep rolling. Even if we do slow down, we're gonna still roll. I'm gonna still be able to pick up a paycheck. But hold on, let me get my truck up to speed. I'm sweating like like a slave over here. Whew. It was kind of warm down here when I was. It's getting kind of cloudy now because the rain is coming in, but earlier it was like 79 degrees. The sun was shining real good, so I was sweating doing that job. I just got through delivering WD-40. I'm sure you what that is. Yeah, we deliver. That's why I said we do everything. We do pharmaceutical, we do oil, we do gasoline, we do everything. You know, that's the beauty of this. Here are the hills of Missouri, the show me state. But yeah, I really didn't see much going on. I looked at some of the other brothers' channels to see what everybody's talking about. And right now it's the lockdown. We need to get this up. I saw Michigan in the news protesting. I wonder why we're not doing it all over the country. You know what I mean? Because the death toll is not what they was making it out to be. It's kind of light, to be honest with you. It's kind of light. So I feel like, hey, open up everything and let people take the speed. Slow down. All right, I heard you. I'm slowing down. Yeah, let people have the option to work or not work. You know what I mean? If you want to come, if you're sick, stay home. Quarantine yourself. I do kind of agree with checking up the temperatures because that makes sense. Some places are doing it, some places are not. Like the place I just left, they're not doing it. But when I picked this load up from the shipper, they check my temperature. So, it's no uniformity. And then again, that was in Texas and this is in Missouri. So each state does something different. Why are you going so fast, truck? I'm trying to slow down. I guess because I'm empty is why it's moving. Because I got the cruise control on. I got to slow it down to 62. I'm going to slow it down to 62. But yeah, it's not uniform, so every state you go to, they're doing something different. But it is what it is, man. Yeah, I'm just enjoying it, man. I'm enjoying it. I get to go back and pick up all the packages out of my P.O. box because I told you all I ordered my mask, so I got masks there. And my dash cam system. So this gives me a day or so to put that in. So I'm gonna call my Polish buddy, the mechanic, and see if I can take it by there tomorrow morning and see if he'll help me install it. But I'm gonna give it a go, and if I can't, I'm still gonna call him because I do need to go by there and let him do a quick inspection on my truck because I gotta have a 90-day inspection. That's one thing some companies do, guys. You get your own truck, they do 90-day inspections, and it's usually a lot more stringent than what DOT requires. Your truck can pass DOT with no problem, but it may not pass the company's requirements. So, and our company kind of particular, so I need to let him look it over first and then go do my 90-day for the company. That way I can keep rolling for the next 90 days before I have to worry about doing another inspection. But I think everything is good. I mean, I did have a light that popped up on my dash, but it could be something simple with that. So I'm gonna have him look at it and see. But yeah, guys, other than that, I haven't really been seeing much in the news. I haven't been seeing much in the news. Basically the same old thing. You know what I mean? Haven't been seeing the women really complaining. They got bigger fish to fry now due to the fact that they ain't got no jobs. You know what I mean? So they not bashing right now. Just because, hey, you ain't got no money, you can't be bothering. You don't have the energy to bother other folks. You know what I mean? So I guess that's a good thing. They opened it back up, and they're gonna be fighting for these jobs, tooth and nail. So we're gonna see how they're gonna act when they open this thing back up. You know what I mean? Because right now, you don't hear nothing. By this time, it's been 6 weeks. We supposed to have heard at least 100, 200, 300 Facebook post, but I haven't been hearing nothing. So we're gonna see if they go back to their ways when they open this thing back up. So we'll see. But that's pretty much all I wanted to bring to you guys. Just let you see a little bit of this. I need to get me another SD card to figure out how to save these videos, so I don't run out of space, because I'm running out of space on this card now. So I'm gonna figure that out, and then I'll come back to you guys probably either later today or tomorrow. I've got kind of get my thoughts together what I want to talk about, because I'm sure there's some stuff in the news that we need to cover. You know what I mean? So we'll let it be this for right now. You got a little bit to see where I'm at. But okay, guys, love you. Hit the thumbs up button. You guys are still not hitting the thumbs up button. When you come in, just hit it. Hit it. Hit the thumbs up button. Okay? Subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you know. And leave me a comment on some things you guys want to discuss. Okay? Love you all. Peace and hair grease.